10th question, the slope of the line which is perpendicular to joining the points 0, 0 and minus 8, 8 is dash. Now, given 0, 0 and minus 8 and 8, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Slope of the line m1 equal to slope of the line m1 is m1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to 8 minus 0 by 0 minus 8 minus 0. Now its answer is m1 equal to 8 by minus 8 equal to minus 1. Slope of perpendicular line, slope of perpendicular line, this symbol is perpendicular. Perpendicular line is minus 1 by m1. m1 is 1, minus 1. So, formula minus 1 by m1 is minus 1 equal to minus minus cancel. The answer is 1. Slope of perpendicular, therefore, slope of perpendicular line is 1 equal to 1. 1 is the answer.